Hai, Assalamualaikum. Nama saya ELYA FATIHA binti ROSLI dan dua ahli grup saya yang lain iaitu AMIRA NADHILAH binti APENDI dan juga Muhammad Danial bin Muhammad Azim dan kami daripada kumpulan H. For objective, the first is to study about the principle and the second is to gather evidence of data to support the law of conservation energy. The third is to collect data to calculate the amount, and the fourth is to determine how a total energy in a system, and the last part of objective is to determine how the mass and of cut effect. Theory and introduction is about the mechanical energy is equal to the work done and body an electric either of position and velocity, and the second part is three type of mechanical energy. They are potential energy, strain energy, and kinetic energy. And the last part is unit of energy is Nm and joule. That's mean G. Okay, seterusnya adalah equipment. Kita ada 5 equipment yang kita gunakan untuk eksperimen ini, iaitu yang pertama adalah hanger yang menyangkut beban. Yang kedua adalah weight, iaitu beban. Beban tu adalah hanger pemberat dia. Dan yang ketiga adalah stopwatch, iaitu jam rinding yang mencatat masa. Dan yang keempat adalah ruler, iaitu pembaris. Pembaris adalah untuk mengira panjang. And the last is potential energy and kinetic energy kit.
I'm AMIRA NADHILAH binti APENDI. So for today, I will explain about procedures, table, and result. Step 1. Set up the apparatus and material. Step 2. Hang the hanger with weight on potential energy and kinetic energy kit. 3. Measure the height from which you will be dropping your weight. 4. Set the height of the hanger equal to 51 cm from the table surface. Step 5. Get your time ready and prepare to drop the weight. You need to measure the time from when the weight leaves your hand to exactly when it hit the ground. 6. Record your time in your data table in seconds. And lastly is repeat step 2 3 times and average the times together. So for the result, we get height 51 cm equal to 0.51 meter. So gram is 9.81 meter per second. So velocity just before impact, which is V, we got 3.16 meter per second. So for mass M, from gram to kilogram, we multiply with 100. So for the potential energy, we have mass multiply with gravity and multiply with height. So we get 0.25, 0.50, 0.75, 1, and 1.25. For kinetic energy, we have 1/2 multiply with mv, which is mass and velocity. So we got 359.28 for 50 gram, 218.59 for 100 gram, 191.42 for 150 gram, 168.92 for 200, and lastly 170.11 for 250. So for the calculation, we use the same formula. So for V, we use formula UT80. For potential energy, we use the same formula too. which is mgh, mass multiplied with gravity and height. So lastly, for kinetic energy, we use 1/2 multiplied with mv, which is mass and velocity. So this is the calculation for 0.05 kilogram. This is for 0.1 kilogram. This is for 0.15 kilogram. So this is for 0.2 kilogram, and lastly for 0.25 kilogram.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Danial Azim from Group H, and today I want to present about Labwork 4 discussion and conclusion. Okay, firstly, discussion for the experiment. Is the relationship between the potential energy and kinetic energy is university proportional. Furthermore, the relationship between mass and time is also inversely proportionality. This is due to if the mass of the object increase, the potential energy increase, the kinetic energy also decrease. This is because the potential energy is proceed by a body position for doing the work. In my opinion, for the experiment, the student can also to do the test by using the easy stuff they have, such as eraser, pencil, and correction tape to do this experiment. Okay. Next is conclusion. In conclusion, kinetic energy is energy that is moving, and potential energy is energy that is being built up. There are two main types of potential energy, which are gravitational and elastic. For example, a baseball pitcher uses kinetic energy, kinetic and potential energy. When he pulls back the ball, the pitcher is using potential energy because the energy is being built up. When he throws the ball and it goes toward the batter, the pitcher is using kinetic energy because the energy is in motion. Alright, thank you.